AI is super powerful, but it can't replace this, a team that truly understands your company. Right now, a lot of marketing feels the same. Same words, same look, same generic corporate messaging. And sure, AI can help you create content fast, but speed isn't the only goal. At Grafico, we use AI as a tool to test ideas and work smarter. But we go beyond AI by doing what a real partner does. We learn your culture. We learn your voice. We learn what matters inside your business. That's how we create marketing that feels authentic, consistent, and built to last. And it's why we've been trusted by businesses for 40 years. So if you're tired of marketing that feels random or generic, let's fix it.
Finding and retaining customers is no easy task. With countless marketing options and distractions, the challenge can be daunting. At Grafico, we look challenge in the face. Evaluating the competition? Done. Strategizing and managing a marketing plan? Check. Assembling the right team and technology? Of course. Celebrating ROI? Absolutely. Our secret? Results-driven relationships. Preserve the customers you have. Pursue the ones you don't. Team Grafico. The right fit